I have this folder, and in this folder I have some images, and I want to see what these images contains. So I will right click, then view, and select large icons. So you can see that the thumbnails are not showing up. So in this case I will have to click on every image just to see like what it contains. Even if I do like view extra large icons, so you can still see that the thumbnails are not showing. I mean the thumbnail preview, right? So it is not showing. So how can you solve this problem? So it is very easy to solve. All you need to do, click on the file in the file explorer and click on change folder and search option. In this you need to click on the view tab, and here this option, always show icons never thumbnails, you need to uncheck this option, and then you need to apply and OK. Yeah, so now you can see that all the thumbnails are now showing up, and you can easily guess like what each file is about. So this is one of the methods. Then we have another method. You can also go to control panel and come to the system tab, right? Then you need to enter the advanced system settings, and in here the advanced tab is selected, and in it the performance option, we need to click its settings, and here I need to check this option, show thumbnails instead of icons, and apply, and then click OK. Alright, so this is also another method with which you will be able to preview the thumbnails of your images. The third option is to go to File Explorer options. So here we have the File Explorer options. So just open it, and here come to the view tab and restore defaults. By clicking this, you will actually restore the default options of the file explorer, and this will actually enable thumbnail preview for your images. By any chance these three methods did not work for you, then you can resort to this final method, and this is about clearing your thumbnails cache. Usually happens that your thumbnail cache gets corrupted. So in that case you need to reset the thumbnail cache by following these steps. Come to the file explorer, right click on C drive to choose properties, then go to disk cleanup. Now in the pop-up window, check thumbnails from the list and click OK. Yeah, and that's it. Now you can check out your images folder. You will probably be able to view the thumbnails preview of your images. Alright.